morning, everybody. So I just finished yoga. It was great as usual. It's prenatal slash postnatal yoga and I do it every single week. Isla's with my mom, and when I left her she was listening to nursery rhymes in other languages and doing tummy time. I play Isla music in other languages because it gives her the opportunity to hear a variety of different speech sounds. Newborns with fully functional hearing can distinguish speech sounds between spoken languages. This is unique to newborns, and by about 1 year, the ability to do this diminishes, but then what they hear is more in tune to their one language that is spoken to them, if there isn't a second or third or fourth language spoken to them. This is why, no matter what, a native speaker of Mandarin will hear and speak the word ra instead of la in English. But if they were exposed to both Mandarin and English as a baby, then their brain will be able to discriminate sounds between the two languages. And then they will be able to hear and say the word la for la in English. This is just one example, but there are many, many, many examples across all the different languages. So yeah, I'm gonna go get her in a second. It was Mother's Day a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to show you these really cute Polaroids that I took of my mom and Isla together. They're so cute. Anyway, we plan on going to the beach today, and it's going to be Isla's first time checking out the sand and seeing the big ocean waves, so I'm really, really excited to join her for her first experience in that. Well, as we arrived, it looks like it's a bit foggy. Let's go and see what it's like. Isla's asleep. We brought strawberries and blueberries and watermelon to the beach, but we didn't end up eating them there because it was cold. And this just came in the mail, so I'm gonna open it. It says it's for me, and I think it's something from the Gap for Isla. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes it is. Look at this little sweater. I didn't even remember that I purchased this. Cute. But it's for 6 to 12 months, and for some reason they ripped off part of the tag. And yes, I've splurged a little bit recently on Gap baby clothes because the Gap was doing a sale of 40% off plus 10%. We're preparing for a nap, right, Isla? As you can see, there are no sheets on my bed, and this is because this little babe peed on them this morning. So the sheets are in the dryer, and I have the pillow set up here, so she's probably gonna have a nap in here, or I'll just have her in the blankie because it will be cozy, and so she doesn't pee right on my mattress again. This is a bear that a friend has given us. Right? Are you ready for your nap? So it's about 6 o'clock, which is usually her last nap of the day before she goes down for bed. She makes really cute noises when she's tired and she wants to sleep, and she also rubs her eyes. She's been doing that for about a month now. It's the cutest thing ever. So today the beach was quite cold, but it was nice to see Isla going to the beach for the first time. Also, Good job. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Boop. Yeah. Are you a parrot? I forgot that we were going to give you a bath because we went to the beach and you got sandy. You need a bath. Oh, you're so sweet. One, two, three, four, Are you gonna laugh?
Out of control. My girl, she's the...
And that's all I have for you today. I'm about to go to bed and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more of my videos. I'll see you next weekend. Bye!